A trading strategy is a whole different thing than a trading plan, but your trading plan actually contains your trading strategy as just one component of your overall plan. As we've been covering in every lesson in this unit so far, a trading strategy will guide you in how to enter the market, and it enhances your personal profitability and emphasizes your market edge. It is your set of rules and confluences that you follow in order to execute trades and manage trades once you've entered the live market. We have driven home that as a consistently profitable trader, you need to systematically take trades via a completely fleshed out trading strategy. We covered choosing a currency pair, what session you're trading in, how to assess your pair or your currency for its tradability, trade setups versus entry signals, how to craft the perfect trade entry, and all of the variables that go into that. We went over at least 10 different ways that you can look at exiting your trade, how to set your stop loss, how to scale out of winning and losing trades, as well as position sizing of your trade and risk management. A trading plan, though, is a very different thing and is like what a blueprint is to a contractor that is building a house. All professional traders have a very detailed trading plan and stick to them religiously, which is part of what makes them professionals. A trading plan is a very thorough framework that guides all of your decision making around any actions or activities that surround your trading. A trading plan for you is what a business plan is to an executive business owner. And while your trading plan will contain all of your personal trading strategy, it goes way beyond that to capture and remind you of your personal motivations and overall trading goals, your money management rules, your trading psychology, your trading journaling, risk management techniques, and so much more. A trading plan is your executable rule book. You never deviate from what is written in your plan. And even if you lose money on a trade, but you followed your trading plan to a T, then it was a good trade. If you win a trade, but you did not follow your plan, then it was not a good trade. Once you have a profitable strategy tested out, you only then judge each trade as to if you followed your plan or not. Everything else will fall into line behind that. Your trading plan can absolutely evolve as you grow as a trader and as your entrainment to the market shifts and flows, but everything that you do needs to be written in your trading operations manual or your trading plan. So what is in a good trading plan? Your plan will outline every detail that is involved in your finding and executing trades. This includes under what conditions the market is in, how large of a position you will take, how you will secure your capital, and negate large losses. There is no rush in making a trading plan, and it doesn't have to be some huge elaborate thing. Your trading plan can literally just be a bullet point list of rules and a checklist to follow before you enter a trade, or it can be a 7-page document that really spells out everything about your trading psychology, how you relate to the market, your moods, your goals and motivations, or anything else you can think of, which with as much detail as you can think of. My personal trading plan is a mix between bullet points and paragraphs of several sentences that clarify rules or instances that validate or invalidate my actions at that point. I freaking love my trading plan and love how over the years it has grown and changed with me as I matured as a trader. Now, for those who purchased this course, and have access to the course through the website, we are uploading my husband's original trading plan for you to look over as an example. There are certainly areas of that plan that won't necessarily make any sense to you, but it made perfect sense to him because he was the one documenting exactly what he was looking for in the market and what his methods were for taking trades and exiting trades and around everything trading action related. You can feel free to take your time and read over his really detailed trading plan. And if you so choose, you can copy his plan, just replacing it with information that relates to your personal trading strategy. Now, here's some prompts to consider for developing your trading plan, whether you're in the course and can download his trading plan or not. But these are some prompts, and really you can really start making your plan just from answering some of these questions. So let's kick off here under the personal section. Some of the things to consider and put in your trading plan can be your life goals, both long and short-term goals, your motivation for trading. What are you committing to time-wise each day or each week? What are you willing to sacrifice and give up to make this work? What sets you apart from the 90% of people who fail at trading? What is going to make you a consistently profitable trader? Looking at mental and emotional preparation, what are the rules around your personal tradability? How do you assess your own psychological and emotional readiness to trade? Are there moods under which you will not trade? What are techniques or rituals or disciplines for mental and emotional well-being that you do before trading? What is your ideal trading environment? What is your sleep routine or other physical routines you have in order to prepare you for trading? In starting your trading day, how do you prepare to trade? What is your routine? When you sit down at your trading desk or at your tablet, your laptop, your phone, what is the routine you follow to prepare? Do you check fundamentals? Do you have a routine for checking news releases or other things that are going to influence the market? How do you check? Do your pairs have other markets or pairs of influence or confluence? Where do you go to check those? How can you prepare and avoid gambling? How can you have confidence in your bias? What research needs to happen so that you're not gambling of what you feel, and instead you have a statistical behavior of the market that you are basing your trades and your analysis on? In choosing pairs and sessions, what time will you be trading live daily? What time will you be live in the charts? What pairs will you trade? Is one of your pairs active during the time you will be trading? I'm telling you, that's an important one. In looking at your trading strategy, what are the rules around your market assessment, fundamentals, your entries, and everything that goes with the entries, any confluences that you require yourself to have before actually triggering an entry? What about continuation entries or adding positions, taking profit in winning trades, exit signals, managing losing trades, and stop loss? What are your exact rules around that? How will you journal your trades? What software would you use? In comprehensive journaling, you will need to keep a detailed journal of your trading activities. How will you stay disciplined to log your entry and exit and profits of each trade? And more, what is your routine for reviewing your losses and wins and repeating or avoiding pitfalls to your account balance? How often do you review your overall trading plan and strategy performance? And in looking at what are you willing to risk, what are you willing to risk every time that you open a trade? What is that? We went over, that's usually expressed as a percent. What are you willing to risk percentage wise? Are you emotional about winning or losing with the amounts you're risking each trade? What is your relationship with money? Does this affect your taking of trades? Can you execute consistently at your chosen level of risk? Can you stay emotionally removed and not get, completely emotionally wrapped up in your trades? And depending on some of your answers here, you may really need to adjust the amount that you're trading or the amount that you're risking until you integrate or come to terms with some of these. These are all just prompts that you can use in writing your plan. You can go through and answer each one of those basically with a bullet point or a couple of sentences, and voila, you have your trading plan. But don't ditch writing a trading plan. Start easy. Just start with your strategy outline of your entry, exit, confluences, take profits, and position sizes. Then write down your goals and motivations and just fill in the rest as you discover and think about it. It will make a difference between you being successful and taking this seriously and you just blowing an account and trading being something that you dabbled in that one time, but it went nowhere. Get in the habit of writing everything down and documenting it. In order to be successful at this, you have to do things that you have never done. You have to develop discipline that you have never had. You have to push yourself further than you have before. But in exchange, you will get so much in return. You will get what you've never had. Trading ticks so many of my own personal goals and boxes. It has been so awesome and something that I will never regret committing to and dedicating and sacrificing as I have done in order to get to be really good at what I do. I know it will be just as personally rewarding for you as well.